Olympic champions Shelly and Fraser-Pryce and Sherika Jackson are among those listed for the 200 metres at the Velocity Fest track meet on Saturday at the National Stadium. Olympic medalists Stephanie McPherson and Natasha Morrison are also listed for the half-lap event. Olympic sprint hurdles champion Hansel Parchment will open his season in the 110-metre hurdles event against the likes of Rashid Broadbell and Tyler Mason. 2011 World 100-metre champion Johan Blake is set to be in action as he's down to contest the 100 metres along with world champion Tajay Gale and Olympian Julian Fort. Olympics bronze medalists Genevieve Russell and Candice McLeod are joined by World Championships medalists Tiffany James and Rochelle Clayton in the 400 metres. The men's event will have World Championships relay medalists Demish Gay, Terry Thomas and former World Under-20 representative Anthony Cox. In the field, World Championships silver medalist Frederick Dacres will go up against Olympians Travis Smykel and Chad Wright in the discus throw, while World Triple Jump silver medalist Shanika Ricketts takes part in her pet event, the Triple Jump. World Championships bronze medalist O'Dane Richards is set to contest the shot put alongside Chad Wright. There will also be high school 4x100 metre races as they prepare for the Penn Relays.